In a bright green meadow there lived a Cuva rabbit named Ruby. She loved to hop around, smell flowers, and make new friends. Not far from the meadow lived a clever cat named Cleo. Cleo was smart and calm, but sometimes a little too proud of her cleverness. One sunny morning, Ruby saw Cleo resting under a tree. "Good morning," Cleo said, Ruby cheerfully. "Good morning, Ruby," Cleo replied lazily. "You're always hopping here and there. Don't you ever rest?" Ruby smiled. "I like being busy. There's always something new to see and learn." Cleo stretched and said proudly, "Well, I'm smart enough to do things without running around. My brain works faster than your legs." Ruby giggled but didn't argue. She just said, "Maybe, but sometimes moving fast helps too." Days passed, and one afternoon both friends went walking near the farmer's garden. Suddenly they heard a loud barking. It was the farmer's dog running toward them. Ruby's eyes widened in fear.